Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, and you are watching How Ines Rolls. I am so excited to show you some of the things that we're doing today, and I hope you stick around to watch all of it. It's still pretty early in the morning right now. Everybody's still sleeping, so I'm gonna get started on breakfast. My dad's visiting still with us, so I'm gonna make him some coffee. We don't even drink coffee, so I just have bought this little machine for when my dad comes to visit us, because I know he still does, or he does drink coffee. And so I just like to try to make him feel at home. And look at these cute cups. I mean, come on. So fun. I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I, of course, did not record a single bit. It was kind of like a blur because there was so much going on, but it was good. It was so good. But now I am cleaning up everything. I got a lot of it cleaned up last night, but I need to get my classroom back together, and we're gonna be heading out doing some errands, and I can't wait to show you. Let me know in the comments if you are ones who hit the Black Friday sales. I've done it a couple of times, and oh my gosh, it is very chaotic. But I'm sure there's like great deals out there. So I am gonna just wait, maybe do a lot of them online. It's so fun to watch. I'm just putting out some muffins for this morning. But one thing that from yesterday that totally surprised me is I did cook some, do some coffee for after dinner and some hot chocolate. That hot chocolate, I have a cocoa maker. I had to do it like 3 times because it was so popular. So everybody loved hot chocolate. So I'll have to remember that for next year. And a couple other things that I learned, more turkey. Because now I have none. But that's a good thing, right? So we have lots of sides and no turkey. So we're probably gonna make some steaks tomorrow or something. But I am gonna cook up some sausage and some eggs, and we have some French toast. Remember when I made that French toast? I put it in the freezer, so now I have some for breakfast. Got ready. We got all the breakfast ready. So I got some of that, a little of this, and I'm also making some cinnamon swirl bread, gluten-free. You guys, this one is really good. So if you see this in your store, you may want to try it. It's mostly for Paul, but everyone's going to eat it. This cake is so good. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to record about this because it is so good. So what'd you think, Dad?
Well, this will show.
Yeah, he's gonna lick the plate. Lick the plate.
I finished everything. Yeah.
Hi, Dad. Here's my dad. He's from Long Beach. Woo woo. So we've just been having some good conversation, and I need to get going and clean up my classroom and set it up for Monday. So much work. So I'm off to a good start. So that's about half of my class, I think. So as we're waiting for everyone to get going, I'll just continue. So before we head out, I am mostly done for today, or for now, for with my classroom. But I was looking at the front doors, and now I get to change that. So I am going to be making some floral baskets for my front door that's Christmas themed, and I need to make some bows. So I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm making this really easy Christmas bow that I'm going to put on the basket. It is burlap, so it's a little bit harder to maneuver, but it's not that bad. So we're going to cut 2 16-inch pieces of burlap, a 12-inch and a 6-inch. And then we'll get ready to rock and roll. So all I'm doing is putting a bead of this hot glue. Now, forgive me, my hot glue is broken, my gun. I'm going to hopefully get one very soon, but it still comes out. So we're just going to put a bead and make a circle. Be careful because it's very hot. And then do the same thing with the 12 and then leave the 16-inch one as is. So you have 2 circles, and then we're going to tri-fold the 6-inch one. Pretty easy. Since my ribbon has no printing on the back, I want to make sure that the ribbons that are going to be faced out has the print on it. So I'm kind of like making them face forward, doing like a simple fold here, of which I'm going to put a little glue right there just to hold it down. All right, so now I have like my base right here, and so I'm just going to carefully find my back where I glued, and I'm just going to start putting them on top of each other, kind of a layered effect. And make sure you're doing it as most centered as possible. All right, so I have this one nearly put together. Oh, I see Ezra's little legs behind me. He was looking for some cookies that we had yesterday. Okay, so now I have this all mostly together. I'm going to let it dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to take some of these and just wrap a couple around just to kind of hold it tight. And then I'm going to take my tri-fold and cover it up. I'll show you. So I am just cutting the bottoms up. It's just like a V cut, totally easy, and it will make it super cute. And now these are gonna go on my baskets. What do you guys think? So we're on our way out now. So I'm so excited to show you that we are on our way to a giving machine. So we're so excited. We're gonna take my dad and we're going to go buy some things for local charities and worldwide charities. So excited. And hopefully I won't cry, because every time I watch some of these videos, and maybe I'll link some below in the description box, I get really teary-eyed. So we're here on Black Friday. It's a little crazy, but we finally found it. There it is, just the lone vending machine. It all goes down here. Oh, did our chickens drop?
Yeah.
There's our chickens. There's some meals.
Here comes glasses.
So cool. What do you guys think?
That's like the best.
So cool? Cool. So I think that's it. That took us like maybe 10 minutes, and then they gave us some hot cocoa that was so sweet. It is chilly. There's snow on the mountains close by. But I think we're going to head home and start planning to go out to eat. So let me know in the comments if you're doing Black Friday shopping. Let's go. As we're walking to our car, there's like snow flurries here. Ooh. And Ezra loves pointing out the Teslas. So we're taking my dad to Juan's Fajitas. So they just seated us, and already chips and salsa. It looks good. They have like the different kinds of salsa, Dad. You'll have to try them.
This one's for Mom right here. So what is good burrito?
That one is the beans. I love that one. So this place is known for their fajitas. And if you've been watching me for a while, this is the place that we really like coming to. And the last time we came, they spilled hot salsa on me. Ooh. But I've forgiven them, and of course we come back often. So I think we're all looking at the menus, and I think we're all deciding what we want. But my dad also right now is really liking the salsas. Oh yeah! All right, here are all the food. I just got some carne asada and some rice and beans, but everybody else got fajitas.
Minutes later, there won't be no food at all.
I know, a couple of minutes. I gotta show everybody now. Ezzy, what'd you get?
Quesadillas, fries.
Quesadilla and fries. That was so good. And then Daddy got some fajitas.
And steak and chicken.
Steak and chicken, or look at that, sizzling. So do you like the fajitas, guys?
Yeah,
Is that good?
pretty good.
And they make their tortillas here, so they're really soft, really good. Dad, how do you like it?
Oh, that is beautiful. Wonderful. Good meat.
Good stuff, huh? I just made a little taco. Yeah. So we just came back from lunch and I need to get going on this basket. I just feel motivated to finish redecorating the front porch, so to say. So I gotta get all the pumpkin stuff out. So these are my fall florals. So I'm just gonna use the same basket. This one was inside, and if you've been following me for a minute, you know that I bought a second one, which was so hard to find. So I'm gonna put those on the front porch. So I am gonna just take those out and make a Christmassy one. It did not take very long, as you can see, and I'll probably fluff this up a little bit more. But the good thing about these baskets is they have this leather strap handle. So I am going to tie this chevron print ribbon to hang it on the door. And then I'll add the little bows that we just made to it. So they'll be like up in here just to kind of have a connection. So what do you think? Did I do all right? Let me see. Maybe if I put these, I could even put these up front. Maybe I'll do that. I love it even better. Okay, I think they look great. With Paul's help, I think we were able to get them pretty even. And we're having extra wind today, so I think they look so cute. So now on to the rest of the front porch. Maybe after it gets to not be so windy. And that's it, you guys. This is what we do when we're on vacation, on little Black Friday shopping or browsing. I'm so glad that we were able to hit the giving machine that was over by the Macy's. First time in Las Vegas, and I didn't lose it. I didn't start crying, which I totally thought I would. But yeah, you should check out some of those commercials, the ads in the description box below. And I hope that you have had a wonderful Thanksgiving break. And now we can decorate for Christmas more. If you haven't already started, now is the time. So stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.